This is our secondary structural pump, the concrete pump. Let's see its panorama. This is electrical control. Inside here is the engine. Here is the motor. This one, open it. This one is the fan cooling system. Inside is oil. Is oil pipeline to give the power to carry the oil, hydraulic oil, to give the power to the whole system. Here, this is the key. When you open it, it can show the starting of this machine. The concrete is putting over here. When the power is giving, and this is the oil cylinder to give the power through the oil system. And here this is the concrete cylinder. Here we'll connect the pipeline to the working site. This one is very portable to working in the house as a secondary structural pump. It's very popular in different working area in the house, building, etc.